Hello, everyone. Today, we'll compare GeneratePress and Raft, two popular WordPress themes for building websites in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at GeneratePress. GeneratePress is known for its lightweight design and flexibility. It offers a clean code base enhancing user experience and SEO. GeneratePress theme focuses on speed, usability, and accessibility. It offers a variety of customization options, page speed scores, and support. GeneratePress provides seamless integrations and is accessible for all. GeneratePress has also introduced first-ever block-based theme builder and an extensive library of websites. In terms of pricing, GeneratePress offers a yearly plan priced at $59, which provides one-year access to all premium features, and a lifetime plan with one-time payment priced at $249, providing lifetime access to all features. Raft, on the other hand, is a relatively new WordPress theme that focuses on simplicity and user-friendly design. It offers a minimalist approach to website building, with a streamlined interface and intuitive customization options. Raft prioritizes ease of use and accessibility, making it suitable for users who are new to website building or prefer a straightforward approach. You can download the Raft WordPress theme from ThemeIsle for free. In summary, both platforms offer powerful features for building websites. GeneratePress may be preferable for users who prioritize performance optimization, simplicity, and flexibility. Meanwhile, Raft may appeal to users seeking a simpler and more user-friendly website building experience. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between both platforms. Thank you for watching.